carefully. I will tell you how to add the following rational numbers and how to subtract the rational numbers. First of all, you should take the LCM of denominators. Always. This is the rule. So I am taking the LCM. LCM of 7 and 3 is equal to 21. Now, right here 21. 21 divided by 7, how many times? 3 times. 4 multiplied by 12. Right, the minus multiply by plus, it will change into minus. Got it?
Yes, sir.
21 divided by 3.
7.
How many times? 7 times. 2 multiplied by 7. Right here. 4 be 12. Minus 40 upon 21. Answer will come in minus 2 upon 21. Minus 2 upon 20. This is your answer.
Yes.
Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Same question. Question number 2. Who will solve this question? Question number 2. Anyone?
Sir.
Come out. Solve it. First take the LCM. Take the LCM proper of denominators, not a numerator. Denominator.